I have received hundreds of reviews, hundreds of testimonials of people in the comment section on Amazon that have told me that this process, that this cleaning kit has saved them hundreds of dollars, got their printer back up and running, and I have done it myself, so I know that the product works time and time again. As I mentioned on my channel, if you click the channel icon down below this video and click on videos, once you're there, you'll see all of the printers that I have reviewed, fixed, and have used this product on, and you can use the search bar in the far right corner to type in the specific printer model that you have an issue with, and if it's similar to your printer, if it's a similar model, you can use that video as instructions for how to clean your specific printer with the Best Printers cleaning kit. There's going to be a link down in the description below. If you're watching this video and you've decided that this is the product that you need that will solve your problem, you can pause this video, go down to the description box, click that link, get yours coming on the way, and come back and watch the rest of this video. Now, during the time you're watching this video, there may be a promotion running. Sometimes it's between 5 to 20% off that you can get off this cleaning kit. So make sure you check out the pricing, check out that link below, because you may be in a time frame where you can actually get some money off of this cleaning kit. Now, what do you get with this cleaning kit? You're actually going to get cleaning fluid, a syringe, a bunch of attachments, and then you're also going to get support. BestPrintersTech.com is a great support website with a bunch of Q&As. You can also contact me directly through Amazon if you're having an issue.